Hello and welcome to the video by TrumpExcel. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to sort the data from left to right in Excel. Here I have the data for region, sales rep and sales values, and this data is in rows. So if I want to sort this data, then I would have to sort it from left to right so that I have all the east values together and the north values and then the south and the west values together in a row. Normally, when we get the data, we are used to reading it from top to bottom. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to sort it from left to right, which is not what we usually do. Now, this can be done in two ways in Excel. First is there is an inbuilt feature in Excel which sorts the data from left to right. And the other method is that you simply copy this data, you transpose it, then you sort it from top to bottom that we usually do, and then you again copy it and transpose it while copying. So I'll show you both these methods. The first method that I'm going to show you is using the inbuilt left to right sorting feature. So in this case, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to select this data. But if you're sorting from left to right, you have to leave out the headers. So do not select the headers, only select the data that you want to sort. Now go to the data tab here in ribbon and click on the sort dialog box button here. So if I click on this, it opens the sort dialog box, and in this dialog box I have this options button. And when I click on options, it'll ask me to choose whether I want the orientation to be top to bottom or left to right. Top to bottom is usually the default setting. So in this case, I would select left to right, click OK. And now I can specify how I want to sort the data. So in this case, I want to sort it by row number 1 because that is what has the region values. I want to sort it based on the cell values. You also have these other options where you can sort by cell color, font color, conditional formatting icon, and you can also sort it based on the order, which is if you want it from A to Z alphabetically or Z to A, or you can also create custom list, which is something I would cover later in this video. So let's do this from A to Z. In this case, I would select this, click OK, and instantly I do this, I get this data sorted where I have all the east values, then north, then south, and then west. So this is one way of doing it. Remember, you'd have to leave the headers out while you're selecting your data set. Now let me show you another method of doing it, which is using the transpose method. In this method, what we are going to do is convert this data, which is in rows, into columns. So I would first select this entire data set, including the headers. I would copy it. So you can use Control C or right click and copy, and then go to any cell where you want to paste this data, which could be in this sheet, which could be in any other sheet. So let's say I'm doing it right here in this cell. I would right click and click on paste special here. So as soon as I do this, it opens the paste special dialog box. Now here I'm going to paste everything. If you want, you can only paste the values. If in case you have formulas and you don't want to copy the formulas or the formatting, you can paste values only. But in this case, I'm going to keep all selected. And I'm going to check this box here which says transpose. Now when I do this and when I paste this, this would transpose this data and paste it here. So see what happens when I click OK. I get this data here. Now this is in a format, in a top-down format, which I'm used to. So I can quickly analyze this data. If I want to sort this data, I would simply go to the data tab. You can use these icons also, but I'm going to use the sort dialog box. So I click here, make sure top to bottom is selected. I would select region because I want to sort this by region based on cell value A to Z, and now I click OK. And as soon as I do this, it sorts this data by region. Now I would have to copy this data and paste it here again, but while doing it, I would have to transpose it again. So I would first copy this data, go here, right click, go to paste special. I would keep all selected, transpose, OK. And as soon as I do this, it would give me this data, which is sorted by region and in the same left to right format. Now, this may seem like a longer method, but some people prefer it because it gives you the data in a format that you are used to analyzing. So in case, let's say you're going through this data and you are planning to, let's say, manually delete a few rows, edit the data, highlight a few data points, it's easier when it is in a format that you're used to working with. So you can quickly do this, come back, transpose the data, paste it, and you get the data in a sorted fashion, which is from left to right sorting. The last thing that I want to show you in this video is, in this case, when I've sorted the data, I've got this format, which is A to Z alphabetically formatting. I got east, then north, then south, and then west. But let's say I do not want this to be sorted in this alphabetical order. I actually want this to be sorted in east, west, north, and south. Maybe because this is the format that my company follows. So you can create your own sorting criteria. And to do that, I'm going to select this entire data set, and we are going to create that sorting criteria while we are sorting this. So in this case, I've selected this. I would go to data. I would click on sort. Here, row 1 is selected. Just make sure that left to right is selected in the options dialog box. Row 1 is selected, which is the region row, cell values. And in this case, instead of these two, I'm going to click on custom list. And in custom list, I can specify what is the formatting series that I want. What is the formatting criteria that I want this to follow. So in this case, there are already some pre-filled series here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and month names. And I can also create my own. So I would type east, enter, west, north, south. Now you can use this method when you have some of those sorting criteria which are not already there in Excel. For example, these could be high, medium, low, or if you are into selling t-shirts, then it could be XL, L, medium, small, extra small, or these could be survey responses such as strongly agree, neutral, disagree. So these are the sorting criteria which are not there in Excel. So you can create these sorting criteria and sort your data based on it. So in this case, I've created this one. I click OK. So you can see this sorting criteria now appears here. And now when I click OK, it would sort my data, but in an order, in a custom sorting criteria order which I have specified, which is first east, then west, then north, then south. This is not alphabetical, but the one that I just created. So this is how you can sort the data from left to right in Excel. There is an inbuilt feature, and you can use the transpose feature. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.